Market depth shows all the details of the selected contract. Scripts like open, high, low, close, volume, best buy price and quantity, best sell price and quantity. In the chart section, user can click on chart to view an intraday, 1 day, 1 week, 1 month chart of script. This tab will give details information of script like name, ISIN, price range, tick size, freeze quantity, and so on. User can place GTT order, good till triggered, with your desired combination and condition. User can view option chain glance and place buy or sell order of that particular script and indexes. User can view 3 months future series of script or indexes. Tap on future script or indexes to add it to Market Watch. User can set alert with your desired combination and AMP condition. Once alert is triggered, can be seen in Alerts window under Menu. Start your journey with Phillip9. Investments in securities market are subject to market risks. Read all the related documents carefully before investing.